Not everyone knows this, but there is a valley of death between the price that you can charge for something and the quality that you can achieve. And many people get trapped on the side of that valley that they don't like. So today, let's talk about how you get through that. So many of us, we see things that are very high quality and we want to do them, but the problem is lots of people are doing low quality for a low price. And so if you try and do high quality for a high price, all people can go is your price is there, someone else's price is here, and they choose to go with the cheaper price. That's because unless you're an expert, you can't tell the difference in quality. So what ends up happening is you get excited and you end up doing high quality at a low price. And that is fine for a short time. But if you keep doing that, unless you've got some technological revolution, you're going to go broke. Or you're going to become resentful that you're putting so much effort and you're getting the same income. There's a big effort difference between those 2 points. So how do we get over here? There's a thing that drags us there that's called our brand or reputation. And reputation and brand drags you up this way so that you can do high quality and that you can charge for it. But your brand is the subtotal of what you used to do. So it's not what you do now, it's what you used to do. So if you used to do high quality for long enough, that becomes your brand. And now people have something that they can judge your quality with without being an expert. They can go, this person has a brand of high quality. They couldn't have got that unless they had done high quality for a really long time. So how do we get there without making this massive step? Now, there are some amazing people in the world who just go straight there. Good luck to them. I'm not one of them. Probably you aren't either. So what we actually do is we do a little increase in price and a little increase in quality. And that allows us to afford it. And then we do another little increase in quality, but we don't change the price. It's just a small step. And then once people are happy with that, we do another little price increase and another little step in quality and a little step in price. And always the small step in quality comes first and then the small step in price comes second. And over time, you build your brand until you're here. The problem is when you look at someone like me, I've spent 24 years getting to there. And they're all little steps like this. When I started my office, I didn't do this. Now, if you get employed by someone who has this, there's going to be a lot of pressure on you because they spent a long time getting there. But that's how you get to a place where you can charge enough for the quality you do so that you don't feel resentful, you're doing well, even though you're putting so much hard work in. Tiny steps. Now, of course, you need to be able to actually do the quality that you're talking about to build that brand. If you need help to get your quality there, go and check out some of the resources in my profile link.